Do you want your practical file to look like a topper's file? Whether it's science, maths, computer, AI, geography, or any other subject. Today I'll show you how to create a neat, attractive, and full marks practical file step by step. And yes, stay till the end because I'll also share subject wise decoration ideas and presentation secrets examiners love. Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a practical file properly, which pages should be included, subject wise practical file ideas, decoration and presentation tips, mistakes students should avoid, and secret tips to score full marks. This video is useful for science, maths, computer and AI, geography, economics and statistics, physics, chemistry and biology, and many other school subjects. Materials required. Before starting your practical file, collect practical notebook or file, blue and black pens, pencil and eraser, ruler or scale, highlighters, color pens, printed images or graph sheets, subject information. Always use clean handwriting and avoid overwriting. Cover page design ideas. Your first page creates the first impression. Include school name, subject name, student name, class and roll number, session, teacher name. Subject wise cover page suggestions. Science practical file. Add lab equipment icons, molecules, test tubes, human body diagrams, microscope sketches. Use blue plus green theme. Math practical file. Add geometrical shapes, graphs, compass, formula symbols, coordinate grids. Use purple plus black theme. Computer or AI practical file. You should add laptop illustrations, coding symbols, AI icons, digital circuits, binary numbers, and use black plus cyan theme. Geography practical file. In this you should add maps, globe, mountains, climate symbols, compass design, and use green plus brown theme. Economics or statistics file. Add bar graphs, pie charts, currency icons, data tables, and use orange plus grey theme. Biology practical file. Add cells, plants, human organs, DNA structure, and use green theme. Chemistry practical file. Add chemical formulas, laboratory beakers, and reaction diagrams. Use light blue theme. Physics practical file. Add circuits, electricity diagrams, force and motion symbols, and use dark blue theme. Important pages. After the cover page, include certificate page, acknowledgement, index page, practical experiments, viva questions, bibliography if required. Use proper page numbering and margins. How to write experiments properly. Each practical should include aim, which is the purpose of experiment, materials required, in which we write tools and apparatus, theory, which is the short explanation, procedure, it is the step by step process of the complete experiment, Observation, where you draw tables or write readings. Result, it is the final conclusion of the experiment. Precautions, these are the safety instructions which you should follow while performing experiments. Subject-wise writing suggestions. For maths practical file, draw graphs neatly, use graph paper properly, highlight formulas. For science practical file, draw labeled diagrams, use scientific terms carefully. For computer practical file, add screenshots if allowed, write algorithms clearly and use coding blocks neatly. For geography practical file, use colored maps carefully and label locations correctly. Decoration tips. Want your file to look professional? Use borders, highlight headings, maintain equal spacing, keep handwriting consistent, use clean diagrams and keep pages wrinkle free. You should avoid too much glitter, random stickers, dark unreadable colors and messy corrections. Biggest mistakes students make. Students often lose marks because of incomplete experiments, wrong page numbering, untidy diagrams, missing index, poor handwriting and last minute work. Always complete your file slowly and neatly. Secret tips to impress examiners. Always keep your file organized. Always use proper headings. Always underline important terms. Always submit your work on time. Practice Viva questions. Keep all diagrams neat and labeled. Always remember, presentation matters almost as much as content. So students, now you know how to create an amazing practical file for science, maths, computer, AI, geography and many other subjects. Now let us understand the chemistry lab manual of class 12th in detail. The chemistry lab manual is specially designed to help students perform experiments systematically and understand the practical application of chemical concepts studied in theory classes. Every experiment in the manual follows a proper scientific format so that students can easily learn the method of performing practical work correctly and safely. In each experiment, the first section is the aim, which tells us the objective of the experiment and what we are going to study or prepare. After that, the requirements section includes the apparatus, chemicals and materials needed during the practical. Next comes the theory part, where the chemical reactions, formulas, principles and concepts related to the experiment are explained in simple language. This section helps students connect practical work with theoretical knowledge. Then we have the procedure, which explains the complete experiment step by step. Students must follow these instructions carefully to get accurate results and avoid mistakes during the practical. After performing the experiment, observations are recorded in proper tabular form. Calculations are then done using the observed values and finally the result is written based on the outcome of the experiment. The manual also includes important precautions that must be followed for safety and accuracy in the laboratory. Along with this, Viva questions are very useful for board practical examination preparation because they improve conceptual understanding and confidence. Class 12 chemistry practicals include experiments from physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry such as titration, salt analysis, preparation of compounds, chromatography, pH experiments and functional group identification. These experiments help students develop observation skills, analytical thinking and laboratory techniques. Also, while maintaining the practical file, make sure that all chemical reactions, rough tables and diagrams are neatly drawn on the left blank page for proper presentation and better understanding. So, students, maintaining the practical file neatly, learning observations carefully and understanding the theory behind every experiment are very important for scoring good marks in practical exams as well as improving your scientific approach towards chemistry. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your subject below, subscribe for more educational content. And remember, a beautiful practical file can help you score better marks and create a great impression on your teacher. See you in the next video.